Are you heading to the mall for Christmas presents for your kids? Well, before you leave the door, we have an idea that will save you money and that trip to the store. All you have to do is look around your house.
Every December, the Bleecker household is traditionally trimmed with holiday cheer.
10 more days till Christmas, guys. Yay!
Jade, Miley, and Scarlett have all made their lists.
Dear Santa, this year for Christmas, I'd like a desk, a place to put my stuffed animals, and an art easel for painting and drawing, art supplies.
And check them twice.
About Princess dressed up.
But this year, feeling the financial pinch, the Bleekers wanted to try something different.
We'd like to get them, everything they want, but sometimes it is hard to save throughout the year, and then Christmas comes and you don't always have the money to get everything they want.
So while the girls scurry off to school,
have a good day at school, guys. See you tonight.
We sent our very own Santa's little helper, do-it-yourself expert Michele Beshin,
Gonna spread some creative cheer here today.
to help the Bleekers make the perfect gifts for their girls.
A lot of the things that are on the list here, we could really have some fun with working with things that you have around the house.
4-year-old Scarlett loves to play dress-up.
We could have some fun with costumes, a little vanity center, or a little dressing area for Jade. I like her. She has all kinds of art supplies, so we could create a fun art easel, like an art center for her.
Perfect.
And for Miley,
Right now, she just has a mattress sitting on the floor.
Okay.
So she would love to have a bed frame or a place
Okay.
to put her animals and her special things.
So we could come up with something and make that bed really fun.
step 1 for our team of elves, check the house for suitable supplies.
These suitcases will make some fun gift bags for all our costume stuff. Ooh, I think I found the top to our vanity. Right here, perfect.
The Bleekers may not have been experts, but after sawing, sanding, cutting and sewing, it all came together.
What do you think?
That is too cute. This is so great.
Can't believe that's my old dresser.
I know,
Girls
we
will
just
love that.
added something to the end.
Finally, at the end of the day,
Look at this, guys.
Awesome.
This is Christmas for free.
Girls are gonna love that.
Can you believe all of this was in your house in one shape or another? Hopefully they have as much fun playing with it as we did putting it together.
with just a little time before the girls came home, it was time to wrap the presents. And for the gift that was too big to fit under the tree,
To watch them still open it and just be thrilled with what it is, it'll be kind of a neat thing to know the time and effort that's been put into making them and just seeing their reaction more than anything.
The girls have to wait for Christmas.
Yes.
Of course.
To get those gifts.
Hopefully they're not watching.
Yes, exactly.
I think they'll love it. They'll love it.
If you want to find the blueprints for gifts like this, just go to our website at abcnews.com.
Yeah, we'll give you some ideas there.